It's what you don't see that connects us. You don't see power and partnership sparked by a dream, a needs audit, and trust in a process that goes unseen. You don't see pride driving coordinated design builds and fleet mobilization from flatline to heartbeat, below ground, above grade. You don't see forethought prefabricated, leadership-driven cost savings. You don't see unity of a team, the grit of a cable pull. You don't see behind walls where good enough is not good enough and failure is not an option. You don't see the adversity that birthed new divisions and turnkey solutions. Technology, maximizing logistics and human potential. Innovation, delivering smarter ideas through a single point of contact. You don't see the power connecting all of us to all of you. In a perfect world, it's a client served for a lifetime with a deliverable unseen that illuminates what must be seen. It's our work you don't see, but it's the trust you can feel.